A raindrop cake is a visually stunning dessert made of clear, gelatinous raindrops, served with sweet toppings like red bean paste, roasted soybean flour kiniko, and syrup. It's inspired by Japanese traditions and has become popular worldwide for its unique appearance and texture. Here's a quick 5-minute recipe for a raindrop cake. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of agar powder, a vegetarian alternative to gelatin, 1 tablespoon of sugared bean paste, anko, optional for topping. Kiniko roasted soybean flour, optional for topping, maple syrup or sweet syrup, optional for. Serving instructions: prepare agar mixture. In a small pot, combine the water, agar powder, and sugar. Stir well to dissolve the agar completely. Heat the mixture. Heat the mixture over medium heat until it comes to a gentle boil. Once it boils, simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes while stirring to ensure the agar fully dissolves. Form the cake. Pour the mixture into a small round mold or a clean bowl. Let it cool for about 2 minutes at room temperature, and then place it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. You can speed up the process by chilling it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. Unmold. Once the mixture has solidified into a jelly-like consistency, carefully remove it from the mold. The result should be a translucent, gelatinous raindrop. Serve. Place the raindrop cake on a plate. Serve with toppings like sweet red bean paste, kiniko, and a drizzle of syrup. Tips: you can adjust the sweetness by adding more or less sugar. The texture should be jiggly and almost like a very soft jelly. Although it's called a 5-minute recipe, the cake will need a little chilling time to set properly, so it might take around 15 to 20 minutes in total from start to finish.
Tips for making raindrop cake: use high-quality agar. Agar is a key ingredient for the cake's texture. Be sure to use high-quality agar powder, as low-quality versions can affect the gel consistency. Perfect the water to agar ratio. The perfect ratio is usually around 1 gram of agar for 100 milliliters of water, but this can vary. If you want a firmer texture, increase the agar slightly. Chill properly. After forming the cakes, chill them in the refrigerator for at least 1-2 hours to ensure they set and develop the proper texture. Serving. Serve immediately after making the raindrop cakes because they start to lose their glossy appearance and soften over time. Prepare your toppings beforehand to serve them fresh. Topping choices. The most traditional topping is koshian sweet red bean paste and kiniko roasted soybean flour. You can also try other toppings like syrup, fresh fruit, or matcha powder. Shape and size. The cakes should be transparent with a smooth surface. You can mold them using a raindrop-shaped silicone mold or form them by hand for a more natural look. Types of raindrop cake: traditional mizu shingen mochi, the classic version, made with just water and agar, served with sweet red bean paste and kiniko flour. Matcha raindrop cake, a variation where matcha powder is added to the agar mixture, giving the cake a subtle green color and flavor. Fruit-infused raindrop cake. You can add fruit extracts or juices like lychee, yuzu, or peach to the agar for a burst of fruity flavor and color. Some versions also include fruit toppings inside the cake. Colorful raindrop cakes. Some versions use natural food coloring, like butterfly pea flower, to create a colorful, visually striking cake. Vegan raindrop cake. Since the original recipe uses agar, which is plant-based, it's naturally vegan. Just be sure to check other ingredients if you're modifying the recipe to ensure it's completely vegan-friendly. Raindrop cakes are a fun and creative dessert, offering a refreshing texture and visually appealing design, perfect for impressing guests or enjoying as a light treat.